Creating a structured pumping routine, many mothers pump irregularly. This inconsistency can lead to fluctuating milk supply. Breastfeeding operates on a supply and demand principle, meaning frequent milk removal signals the body to produce more milk. Before establishing routine, determine how often your baby feeds, typically every 2 to 3 hours for newborns. Try to pump at similar intervals if exclusively pumping, or pump after feeding sessions if combining breastfeeding and pumping. Create a calm environment before each session. Hydration and nutrition also impact milk production. Drink adequate fluids and maintain balanced meals to support lactation. After building consistency over several weeks, the body adapts. Milk supply often becomes more predictable. Letdown reflex may occur more quickly. Sessions may become shorter yet more efficient because the body recognizes the regular stimulation. After routine is established, mothers report increased confidence and reduced stress. Consistency reduces engorgement, lowers risk of blocked ducts, and stabilizes milk output. Routine transforms pumping from a stressful task into a manageable part of daily breastfeeding life.